Hello friend, welcome back to the Ocean of Tasting. Today we are looking into the one data scraping N8N workflow. Simply it gets the data from the e-commerce site and it will scrape the data and store in our Google Sheet node. So simply let me execute the workflow. Simply click on the execute workflow. Now it's a get the URL. So I simply give the this is the e-commerce site and simply gives that URL to the get URL node. It will automatically gets the URL by using get method. Let me open. So now it's a gets the URL and now it generates the data in HTML format. So HTML format that pass to the HTML node and it extract the data from the HTML node. So let me simply open. It shows the data over here and extracted data passed to the code node. Code node simply simplify or format our data, and that formatted data pass into the our Google Sheet node. So our data is imported over here, and you can see over here our data is simply added into the Google Sheet node. So simply is this is the product name. Then I also cover the product URL. So this is the product URL of the JPG image URL. Then product link page. Simply click on the this link page and that it will automatically goes into the specific product. So you can see over here it will automatically redirect to the specific product, and then I also cover the price of that product. So you can see over here it's 75 rupees is the product price, and you can see over here 75 is displaying over here. So simple workflow I have generated, I have developed. If you get this workflow, then please comment it out in a comment workflow. I will send you this JSON file. Let me download the JSON file. So if you like this video, then like it, share with friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.